Hey friends, this is Atif Pope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Dent token. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Dent token has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price and geared up very well. The target for the breakout, I was telling you here, was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $0.00137. And here you can see that it has rallied beyond that target from this low to this high so far. It has rallied almost 190%, but could not break out this quite long-term resistance of $0.0022. Here we had a long spike with the price and could not break it out. We got stable ejections, dropped down, retested this previous resistance, a quite long-term resistance and very firm resistance of $0.0015 as a support. And now you can see it is flipped into a firm support after the breakout. And now it is again geared up and about to make another attempt very soon to break out the next resistance of $0.0022. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again these two huge breakouts from these two very big falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now, let's start the analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for GLMR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal a few days ago on 9th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very massive pump, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Dent token. And this is the daily time frame chart. And this was the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my previous videos, and I've been telling you that once it will be able to break it out, then we can expect a move up to here at the top of the wedge. And I was also expecting that it can also make another attempt to break out this quite long-term resistance of $0.0015, but you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target and also tried to break out that next resistance of $0.0022 as well. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, now I am moved to the weekly, and here you can see that here we have been moving previously inside in very huge falling wedge pattern from the month of April 2021 up till the month of December 2022. Then we broke it out and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern and broke it out as well. And recently, this is the falling wedge pattern that we have recently broken out on the daily time frame chart. And so far, from this low to this recent high, you can see that Dent token has rallied almost 382%, but could not break out this quite long-term resistance of $0.0022 that had been previously breaking as a very strong support here for a few weeks. And now for the past few weeks, it is again breaking as a strong resistance. And this was a very significant resistance of $0.0015 that had been previously breaking as a very nice support here. After this huge drop in the month of July 2021, it worked as a very nice support. And after the breakdown, you can see it was flipped into a very strong resistance. And from the month of May 2022, it was breaking as a very strong resistance. We got stable ejections. And finally, we broke it out. And after the breakout, the price then retested the previous resistance of $0.0015. After getting rejected by this resistance, the price then retested this resistance of $0.0015 as a support. And now it is again geared up. And I'm expecting that soon it can make another powerful attempt to break out this next resistance of $0.0022. And after that, the next resistance will be here at $0.003 that had been previously breaking as a support here, resistance here, and now again it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. And after that, the next major resistance will be here, that is at $0.004 that had been previously breaking as a support here and resistance here, and again it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Dent token. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern was here at $0.0015. That was also a very huge and very strong resistance as well. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 2.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.